today I'll be teaching you how to create AI images for your business, for yourself, for your office. I don't know how to put it, but yeah, let's just say you want to do a photo shoot and you feel like you want to go and pay a photographer somewhere. No, I got you. Okay, with AI I'll teach you how to get professional pictures for any business of your choice, and even input your faces into these pictures, like create pictures that look like you with AI. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to work with AI, every AI app, how to grow on social media, how to grow on social media, how to edit videos. Okay, so today we'll be going into me teaching you how to actually work with this particular AI app that is absolutely free for you to generate pictures. These pictures might be pictures of your office. You're a banker, you know, you're a tailor, you're a designer, you're a chef somewhere, whatever. I'll teach you how you can create pictures for your business without you going to pay any photographer or paying anybody to get pictures for you for your business. Let's go into it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you about, because yeah, I am AI and we are teaching you AI 2025. Let's go.
Okay, so the app we'll be using today will be the Bing app. But first thing first, let's go to ChatGPT and get our prompt. Okay, you all know I always have my prompts. Now, these are my prompts. Please, you can pause and screenshot if you want to. So I'll slow down a minute so everybody can pause and screenshot so they can use it if they want. So these are my prompts. I actually created the first one for the banker guy. Then I created for a sportsman. Then I went ahead and created for a chef. Then I went ahead and created for a fashion designer. So let me go down here. I'll start. Let's go. I think you already screenshot the banker. Let's put for the sportman so you can screenshot if you want to use. And I'll go down again and choose for the chef if you want to use. And then again for the designer, slow down and pause and screenshot if you want to use. So let's go and design. Let's get the pictures, okay? How you can get these pictures and use them. Now I'll do the first one. I'll copy my first prompt. I want to start with the designer. I don't know why, but I'll copy my first prompt. And let's go to the Bing app. Now this is the Bing app here, Copilot Bing app. This is it. All you need to do is just register on this app. It's very easy to register and it's free. So you go to your app store or your Apple store and you download Bing app, okay? This is, let me go back and you guys can see it. This is it, okay? That's how it looks like. Now you click and come here. You can see here, create image, okay? Now you click on create image. When you click on create image, these people give you 50 coins a day to use. Okay, now here they're telling you describe your image. I'll come up here where they ask me to describe my image and I paste my prompt. I'll just touch on it, then it will allow me to paste. Now when I paste, I'll just click there and click to generate. I'm in already. Why are you guys asking me to join and generate? Are you serious? So it's creating already. I don't know why they were asking me to sign in, but yeah, I'm already signed in on the app and let's wait for it to generate, okay? Let's wait and see what they're giving us for the first trial. So this is like something that, I don't know, but this is something I really like. Something went wrong. What's happening with my internet these days? Anyways, let's just wait and see what it's creating. But it says creating and it's taking a little time. Normally it don't take too much time. But yeah, let's just wait and see. So you will receive an image about micro rewards, which includes offers about Microsoft. And so yeah, let's just wait. Why is it taking longer? Okay, I don't know why that was taking longer. So you click here, you paste. Let's just click. When they ask you to click, you put in your prompt and you click on create. So you have 15 points every day. So you can actually create 15 images every day, right? So yeah, let's wait and see what this gives us. Like, let's see. I'm so loving this. An African fashion designer in a stylish, you know, you see how realistic this image looks. Let me open it. Guys, see now, You use these images for your business, like, and mind you, you can swap your face, okay? If you want me to teach you how to swap your face with these images and put your face on that face, just comment in the comment section, swap, okay? Comment in the comment section, swap face, and I'll teach you how to do it. Now let's go and take the other prompt, and let's take another prompt from the chef. Let's see the chef. Let's take another prompt from the chef and see. Okay, let's go back to the Bean app and go back to create. We click on create. In a minute, I'll show you how to save your videos, your pictures to your phone. You click on create and then you click create. So let's wait and see what it gives. Oh my God. This app is one app a lot of people are just dulling on and slowing on. I don't know why, but yeah, this is something you should, I don't know, this is something you want to go into. Have you seen the chef? No, you don't see chef before. Have you seen chef? You know, see how it looks, see how she looks. And mind you, like I said, you can swap faces and put your face in these images. And if you don't like them, you can recreate. That's the good thing about this. You can recreate if you don't like, okay? You can recreate if you don't like. Let's take the next one. Let's go to the sportsman. We'll take the sportsman, click, take the sportsman, go back to the Bean app, put this in, paste, click. Please, just a minute, I forgot. I need to show you how to save these pictures to your gallery. After you must have created them, you save them to your gallery, okay? So this is like, hey God, I beg you. How will you not want to use this app? Are you seeing what I'm saying? I needed a sportsman in an office, right? In their office. And this is what it gives me. And mind you, you can actually tell them you want a dark skin or a fair skin person. You can actually input that in your prompt. And if you don't know how to write prompt as well, put in the comment section prompt, okay? Now let's go for the banker, because banker. Omo banker. Okay. I beg, allow me copy this thing in peace. Let me not make this video long for my people who are watching. Okay. Now I'll copy this. I take it back. I come up here and I paste. Then you click on generate and wait. Come on, be fast, be fast, be fast. See, this app is so nice. You see that, right? It's the banker is the banker is banking. So any skin color you want, mulat, black, dark skin, light skin, anyone they will actually give you. And mind you, like I said, you can recreate. Now after you've recreated this video, they will stay in your gallery here on the Bean app. But if you want to save them, you click on the image itself. Once you click on the image itself, you hold pin on top of the image. Hold pin on top of the image and click save. It goes to your gallery, right? So if you hold pin on top of this image, it goes directly to your gallery. So I actually had like different prompt. I took the first prompt. Let me try to take the second prompt, because these prompts are all different in different locations, right? So let's try this other one and see what it gives. You can use these pictures for your business, for whatever, and one generation gives you 4 pictures. So me saying you're getting 50 pictures, no. Me saying you're getting 15 pictures, no. You get more than 15 pictures, you know. So see this one. This guy looks like a Ghanaian. Why does this guy look like a Ghanaian? This is so realistic. Yeah, I love it. It is super good. It is super nice. Like, I don't know if you guys are not going in for this, but trust me, you want to go in for this, because it makes a whole lot of sense and it's free. It is free, okay? Text to image here is super free. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. When you're done doing this, you save your videos to you save your pictures to your gallery, and if you want to put them to videos, you can put them to videos. If you want to use them just as pictures, you can use them just as pictures, and that's super cool. Like very, very cool pictures. Imagine you as a baker or as a chef, a pastry chef, and you have this kind of a look. it makes a whole lot of sense. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. Just go to your Bean app and register and get it done.